Explain yourself. May 4th. Number 1. On May 15th, along with the Gion Festival and the Jidai Festival, one of the three major festivals in Kyoto will be held. What festival is it? Aoi Festival, from the Kyoto Imperial Palace to Shimagamo Shrine and Kamigamo Shrine, an elegant procession of more than 500 Heian picture scrolls parade along a fresh green main thoroughfare. It is the oldest festival in Kyoto, and Aoi leaves are displayed all along the parade. Number 2. This festival has a famous event called Yabusame, where horses are used. What kind of event is it? It is a ritual that prays and purifies for the safety of Aoi Festival during its journey. An archer, wearing a costume of a courtier, shoots a target from the top of a sprinting horse at the riding ground in Tadasu no Mori. It is said that if the arrow hits the target, the 5 grains will be abundant and the wishes will be fulfilled. Number 3. Family crest using a plant called aoi, or hollyhock, is very famous. Which clan used it? And why was aoi, or hollyhock, used? The Tokugawa shogunate of the Edo era used the trefoil aoi coat of arms. Originally, the Tokugawa clan used the aoi crest because of their connection with Kamigamo Shrine. Number 4. Aoi crest became very famous for a certain television program. Who used it and how? In a historical drama called Mido Kamen, the actor said, "Can't you see this crest?" Then showed the seal case with the aoi crest to the evil magistrate and other characters, indicating that the old man was a vice-shogun. Number 5. Speaking of family crests, dragonfly crests were popular among the warlords during Sengoku era period of warring states. Why were dragonflies preferred? The dragonflies always flew forward and never fly backward, so they symbolized bravery. Number 6. At Matsuo Taisya, the oldest shrine in Kyoto, certain flower blooms from April to May, and is a very stunning scenery. What flowers bloom? It is also known as the most famous site in Kansai for Yamabuki, or Japanese marigold bush. Centered along the Ichi-no-e River, around 3,000 of these yellow Yamabuki plants are in full bloom, and the area becomes golden colors. Number 7. What kind of god is Matsuo Taisya being famous for? The god of sake. There is a tortoise well which is said to be a sacred fountain. The spring water from this well has been passed down as a famous water for health and longevity. It is said that sake does not spoil by using this water, and that the brewers used this water as the base water for the sake and mixed it with the water. Matsuo Taisya is lined with many sake barrels from sake brewers from all over Japan. Number 8. There are many types of alcoholic beverages. They are divided into brewed or fermented beverages and distilled liquors. What does each mean? The production process for alcoholic beverages is the same. Brewing and distilled liquor differ in their final process. Saccharifies starch in grains and fruits. Alcohol fermentation of sugar. The result from this process is brewed beverage. Distilled liquor is made by further heating and distilling brewed liquor. First, heating the brewed liquor vaporizes the alcohol with low boiling point. By collecting and cooling the evaporated alcohol, impurities are removed and liquor with high alcohol contents is created. This is distilled liquor. Number 9. Give examples of brewed beverage and distilled liquor. Whiskey is distilled from beer without hop. Brandy is distilled from wine. Rice shochu is distilled from sake. Vodka, gin and tequila are also distilled liquors. Number 10. Which is better for our health, brewed beverages or distilled liquors? For brewed beverages, raw ingredients are saccharified and alcohol fermented. Therefore, it contains a lot of sugar. Distilled liquor is distilled during the manufacturing process to increase alcohol purity. Most sugar and carbohydrates are also removed. To drink healthily, it is best to drink distilled liquors on the rock or with water. It is said that distilled liquors are less likely to cause hangovers. This is because distilled liquors have alcoholic purity increased and extraneous impurities removed during the manufacturing process, so are easier than digest compared to brewed beverages.